Hey gang, Carl White here. Hey, frequently I get asked a question, Carl, what's the quickest way to ramp up my business, right? We get that question quite a bit. And I'm going to share with you something very, very, very simple that is absolutely profound. I don't even think 1 second about what builds it up faster is this little formula here. And here's the formula. Offers minus the no's that we get equals money, right? So offers minus no's equals money. So like if we make, say, like, and when I say offer, I'm talking about, you make an offer to refinance somebody, you make an offer to be their purchase lender, you make an offer to a real estate agent to be their referral, the source that they refer their loans to, you make offers to financial planners or attorneys, like that's what I'm talking about. Offers is how many people are you asking for the business, right? So let's say I make 10 offers today and I get 8 no's. Well, that means I'm getting 2 closings. And like for most people, a closing is about $2,000. So if I simply make 10 offers, even though 8 people, like almost everybody but just 2 said no thank you, I still got $4,000 for the day. For the day. Everybody get that? For the day. And so if I want to increase my business, here's what most people do. Most people focus on, how do I avoid the no's, Carl? How do I get it so that nobody says no? How do I get it so I make 10 offers and I get 10 yeses? Man, that's not going to happen. I'm just going to tell you. One thing I found, so I've been doing this for, over 20 years now. And one thing that I have found is that my ratio of offers versus no's hasn't really changed. In 20 years, the amount of offers I make, for every 10 offers I get a certain amount of no's and I get a certain amount of closings, that ratio really hasn't changed. And so most people, they're going, how do I eliminate these no's? That's the wrong question. Because that ratio, I mean, we can put dents into it, don't get me wrong. There's some great programs that will help conversion rates, and they'll change a little bit, but where the needle is really moved is focusing in on this one right here, making more offers. That's the name of the game. Trying to change this ratio or trying to eliminate the no's is not where it's at. It's got to be so that the no's, understand that when somebody says no to you, they're not saying, I don't like you, I hate you, you're a bad salesperson, don't ask me again. That's not what they're saying. What they're saying is, no thank you, I don't need it right now. Just like if you finished a great meal and somebody says, the waitress or the waiter says, hey, would you like a piece of cake for dessert? You go, man, I'm full, no thank you. You're not saying, I don't like this place, you'll have terrible food, I don't like your service. You're simply saying, man, I don't need any cake right now, right? So understand that when they're saying no to you, they're not saying no to you, they're simply saying no to your offer right now. They already have a good source, thank you very much. I'm looking for the 2 out of 10 that don't. And so if I want to double my business, I don't try to eliminate these, I just double these. So instead of making 10 offers, if I make 20 offers, I'll get 4 yeses, right? That tends to be my numbers, about 2 out of 10, about 25% actually, somewhere around 25%. And so if I want to make more money, I simply make more offers. You go, Carl, how do you make more offers? Well, there's a couple of ways that we can do that. One way of making more offers, yeah, this is a good color. One way of making more offers is I can go to referral partners, right? Meeting with referral partners. Whoops, misspelled that. Meeting with referral partners and having scripts and systems so that I double the amount of referral partners I'm talking to, or the prospective referral partners I'm talking to. Another way is the loans that I'm currently doing. So let's call it the update call. Once a week, we call the borrower, the co-borrower, the listing agent, the buying agent, and the title company and or the attorney, and we give them an update on the file, and then we ask for their business. We make an offer. And if you're not doing that, there's a borrower, co-borrower, listing agent, buying agent, title company. That's 5 more offers now. That's 5 more offers. That's 500% more offers than what you're currently making. Another thing I can do is my past database. when I go around the country asking loan officers, great loan officers like you, to raise their hand if they have not called their past database in the last 6 months from A to Z, making an offer to help them out with their current mortgage or to help them out with a purchase of their next mortgage. How many loan officers have called their past database in the last 6 months from A to Z? Usually in a room of about 500 people, I'll get literally I'll get like 4 people to raise their hand saying, yeah, I've called my past database, right? No hard feelings, right? I get that. There was a time in my career I hadn't called mine either. But I learned that's not a good thing to do, right? And so when we're calling our past database, we're making more offers. Another thing we can do is like the people that we pre-approved. We call them our pals, our pre-approved and looking. You know, those people that you pulled credit on, you got referred, they referred to you, you pulled credit on them, and you got them pre-approved, and then you haven't followed up with them, and you haven't asked them which of their friends and family and coworkers they know that could refer to you. In other words, making more offers. So this is just a small list here of how we can make more offers, and we don't even have to do it very well, truth be known. Just being honest with you. You don't even have to do it well. You just have to do it and using the right script so it comes off in a very cool way and doesn't come across as all salesy, right? That's everybody's fear. Well, what if I sound salesy? Well, if you don't want to sound salesy at all, make no offers. You make no offers, you make no loans. You don't want to do that. So how do you do it in a cool way? And how do you do it systematically? And what time of the day do you do it on? And how can you get help doing that? So those are all very valuable questions with very valuable answers that I'd like to help you with. We're putting a link on this page, and if you simply go to that link and schedule a call with us, there's no charge for this. It's a one-on-one call. It'll last probably about 45 minutes, and we're going to go over your specific situation on how to make more offers in a cool way, systematically, so it always happens. You make 4 times more offers than what you're making now, you'll make 4 times more money. It's just that simple. You make more offers, you'll get more closings, and we would love to walk you through it and show you how we do it so that you can copy it and do it in your own. So there's no charge for this, and we'll help map out the scripts, walk you through the exact plan that we use. Hey, if you'd like us to help you with that plan on an ongoing basis, certainly we'll talk about that, but you're totally welcome, totally cool. Just get on the call, and we'll just go over the scripts, go over the systems that we use, some of the tools that we use to automate some of these processes to help you make more offers and make more money. So, cool enough? Offers minus no's equals money. Simplest math I've ever made, and that's the one thing that has literally made me millions of dollars a year here in the mortgage business. So, all right, cool. So click on the link, and I'll talk to you on the inside.